Let's see how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Now, for example, we have our text here that we want to duplicate, or rather this particular page that we want to duplicate. And unfortunately, Microsoft Word does not have a duplicate option. But what we can do is, we can go over here to the Insert tab, we can click on Blank Page, and that will open up a new page for us to copy and paste our content to. So just drag your cursor, right click, click copy, or if you want, you can do it easier by pressing Ctrl C and then pasting it, or Ctrl V, into the next page. And as you can see, we now have a duplicate page of the page that we wanted. And that is how you duplicate a page without the duplicate option in Microsoft Word. See you soon!